Good afternoon and welcome to Muscle Car Garage. This is a 1970 Roadrunner. Customer bought this car, brought it to our shop with a bunch of electrical problems. There's a lot of wires that were spliced, cut, and were left hanging. So what we did to it, we repaired all the wires. They actually had a wire jumping from the coil to the electric choke, which is not good. It's not the way you're supposed to do it. You're supposed to go to the ignition side of the fuse box. So we fixed that and made it right. If you come over here on this side, what's nice about this car, it's a factory pistol grip. We took the whole speedometer cluster out. We installed a tic-toc tack. We repaired the cluster. We had to replace all the bulbs inside the cluster. There was a bunch of wires hanging and loose. Somebody put a new steering wheel in here and hooked up the horn directly to a live wire. Didn't have any fuse on there, so all the wires were burnt out, so we had to repair each individual wire. So if you have a car that you need some electrical work done, call us at 973-758-8944 or visit us at 7 Industrial Parkway, Livingston, New Jersey. You have a nice day.